February 1 was a very special day for Mumbaikars. Chief Minister Shri Prithviraj Chavan flagged off the first phase of monorail from Wadala to Chembur. The 8.8 kilometer distance will be covered in 20 minutes and Mumbaikars thronged to the railway station in great joy and anticipation. The first ever monorail in India has started and we are all happy and thrilled, was a loud cry of a lot of Mumbaikars who were present at Wadala station. This is Apurva Bhatt for Media Eye. We are in Monorail, Mumbai. The first phase being inaugurated by the Honorable CM, Mr. Prithviraj Chavan. We are on our way to Chembur in the second phase. We are with Nitin Arlikar. He is one of the engineers who's worked on Monorail. Nitin, how do you feel this project is completed?
I feel very great as I'm working here as a TNC engineer. I'm feeling very proud that I get good opportunity and good exposure to work here.
How do you think this system will help Mumbaikars traveling from Chembur to Wadala?
This is new technology and new experience for Mumbaikars.
शूट करना रिपोर्ट देता हूँ. As you can see, we are traveling in monorail. This is the first ride. The operations will open from Sunday morning 7 a.m. We've just started from Wadala depot, as my cameraman will pan the refineries. It's very cool here. The air condition is good, and people are enjoying. They're just thrilled to see that we have a new transport system which has come in Mumbai after a very long time. This is Apurva Bhatt reporting for Media Eye from Wadala Depot. हाँ इनको पूछ लो इनके बात कर लो
Proud to working here, sir.
You worked for this project.
Yeah.
What do you feel? I mean, what is your opinion?
I'm just proud I'm working here. I'm proud feel.
This is like more of a bumpy ride. I mean, why is it so bumpy?
Yeah. Yeah. No. Because I don't know about him. About that.
Thank you. SCOMI, right? Yes. Yeah. We are here with the team from SCOMI who have worked to build this project. What do you feel, ma'am? Now that the monorail has started?
It's going to be great for Mumbaikars. I hope everyone travels by this train and they will enjoy the
Are you
ride.
one of the citizens who live in this area and who travel?
No, but I would rather take the second phase when it starts. I stay in South Bombay, so I'll go to Lower Parel. So right now I will.
What about you? What do you feel now that?
Well, I'm very proud because I've been when I joined this company, it was nothing, and now when I see that everything is ready, it's a great honor for SCOMI, MMRD, and everyone.
Do you think it will make all Mumbaikas proud because it's a new system?
Yes, it will. It will.
What do you feel? Do you stay in Chembur or Wadala, or do you?
No, I am based in Andheri, but our depot is in my office is based in depot, so that's the place that I travel more often. I think it's a very proud moment for all of us. That's the milestone that we have achieved. I've been working for this company for almost 4 years, so we have seen how it has grown from scratch to this level. It's a very humble and a prestigious moment, and I think everybody should cherish that.
When do you think the second phase is going to start?
I think the construction is already on. We started the construction at the same time. Hopefully, maybe end of next year, if things goes fine.
Is it scary traveling?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
I think it's an adventurous ride for all of us, and it's a complete modern technology. I think a very wow moment for all of us.
Kids will love it. Thank you. Thank you for talking to us. We are here with two engineers who worked on the Shomi project. How was the journey? What did you feel?
Yeah, it's a good and joyful engine.
Very inspirational and very exciting journey to watch this day. I'm waiting for last 2 and 3 years for this day.
Wasn't it a very bumpy ride? I mean, normally when you go by train and all, it's a different experience.
This is a very different from metro. It is other kind of experience which having you at least this time. And this is the first day, so crowd are very excited today. And
How excited are you guys?
Pardon?
How excited are you guys?
Yeah, it's a really, we are waiting for last 2 years and it's CM also coming here and Ajit Dada Power also is coming here. It's nice and very the crowd is very high and too much.
The first time a monorail is opening in India.
Yeah,
What's your feeling?
it's
feeling is very good and very excited to watch this day, and hope this is enjoying all of you
Yeah.
also, and thanks to everyone.
As you can see, people over here are very excited. We've just finished our first journey and we've reached Chembur, and these are the people who worked for the monorail project day in and day out, and finally their dreams have come true. This is Apurva Bhatt for Media Eye from the Chembur station. Thank you.